Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today's topic is three main types of connotation. Sometimes we check a number of words from the dictionary and having a very long list of vocabulary or synonyms. But unfortunately, if not having the friendship with the types of connotation, then we may choose an inappropriate synonym. My friends, words can have positive, negative, or neutral associations or connotations. Let's have a look on the three main types of connotation along with the example sentences. Number 1, positive connotation. Number 2, negative connotation. And number 3, neutral connotation. Just have a glance on some words. Cheap and inexpensive. If we are having a look on denotative meanings, maybe both of the words are having the same meanings. For example, minimum price, not costing a lot of money, low quality, low expense, low in price, not expensive. My friends, have you noticed that we are having a list of meanings, but only your knowledge about connotation will help you to select the right word. Cheap has the negative connotation and inexpensive has the positive connotation. Example sentences. We are going to construct the sentence of cheap. No one will like to buy cheap tomatoes. Cheap tomatoes mean substandard or rotten tomatoes. And it is also clear in the picture which is there in front of you. The tomatoes are rotten and damaged. It means that the cheap is having negative connotation. And one more thing regarding pronunciation of this word. If we are following the British accent, then its pronunciation will be tomatoes. But if we are opting the American accent, then it will be pronounced as tomatoes. Inexpensive. Inexpensive is having positive connotation. Just make the sentence, tomatoes are inexpensive nowadays. Use them to make the gravy spicy and delicious. Okay, next. 3 words are there. Cunning, smart and clever. Meanings in a deceptive way. Cleverness, artfulness, craftiness, very good at learning, intelligent, behaving in a rude or impolite way. So, how can we bifurcate the meanings of all these 3 words just if we are aware about the connotation? Cunning. Cunning is having negative connotation. Smart is having positive connotation and clever is having neutral connotation. Neutral can be used in both of the ways, positive and negative. Let's enjoy the sentences. Example sentences. Cunning. He is cunning enough to fool the people. Which connotation is there? Negative connotation. Smart. My student Abdul Samad is quite smart boy. Skillfully he wrote my name on the wooden piece with magnifying glass. Thank you Abdul Samad. He is smart enough to open the lock with a paper clip. Which connotation? Smart is having positive connotation. Okay. Clever. She is a clever doctor. Always treat her patients intelligently. Neutral connotation, it means according to the context, here the word clever is giving positive meaning. So, his clever uncle snatched all his property. So, the context is telling us that here the word clever is having negative connotation. Next 2 words, foolhardy and brave. Have a look on the meanings. Doing dangerous actions, overbold, reckless, feeling or showing no fear, not afraid. But keep in mind, foolhardy is a negative connotation and brave is a positive connotation. Example sentences. Okay, the sentence of foolhardy. He is such a foolhardy man, putting his life on risk for useless stunts. Sentence of brave. She is a brave lady. No fear to hunt the animals. Next two words, hilarious and amusing. Note the meanings, my friends. Extremely funny, humorous, laughable, chucklesome, causing laughter, enjoyable, delightful, entertaining, pleasurable. Example sentences. It's hilarious to have a beard on half face. Okay, children always like to listen amusing stories. So, hilarious with negative connotation and amusing with positive connotation. Smirk, smile. Just notice the meanings, please. Grin, beam, twinkle, a facial expression characterized by turning up the corners of the mouth to smile in an unpleasant way because you are glad about someone else's trouble. Example sentences. He always passes smirk on others' defeat. Really, very bad habit. Okay. Her beautiful smile encourages the student's working capability. So, smile is with positive connotation. Yeah, three more words, aroma, fragrance and smell. Aroma is with positive connotation, fragrance, positive connotation and smell, positive and negative. Both, it means neutral. Meanings are what? Smell. That can be pleasant or unpleasant. It means that we can use this word in both of the contexts. Meanings are odor, fragrance, scent. Example sentences. Okay, the first sentence is of aroma. Aroma of pizza is increasing my appetite. And my friends, appetite means hunger. Smell. Smell, when we are using this word as a positive connotation, then she is smelling the flowers intoxicatedly. And smell as a negative connotation, smell of rubbish is making the environment stinky. Even the dustbin is holding its nose. Oh my God. So negative. Keep in mind that words may have common denotative meanings, but words are different in connotative meanings. Denotative meanings can be common, but connotative meanings will be different. Positive connotations are favorable connotations and always give the good feelings to people. Negative connotations are unfavorable connotations and such words create negative emotional responses. Neutral connotations cause no emotional reactions, but sometimes according to context, it gives you the pleasant feeling and sometimes according to the context, it gives you the negative feelings. We shared how can we add emotional, cultural, contextual, additional meanings in our conversation and how can we make our verbal and written expressions more accurate. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep excelling, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Easy English by Munazza Nouman. Take care.